Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be learning English alphabet A to Z. Now let's learn the colors name. Light green color, sky blue color, green color, pink color, red color, yellow color, orange color, silver color, black color, brown color, blue color, purple color. A for apple, A for apple. B for boy, B for boy. C for cat, C for cat. D for dragon fruit, D for dragon fruit. E for eagle, E for eagle. F for finger, F for finger. G for grapes, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hat. I for ice cube, J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for kite. L for lemon, L for lemon. M for moon, M for moon. N for notebook, N for notebook. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for pizza, P for pizza. Q for question, Q for question. R for rose flower, R for rose flower. S for spider. S for spider. T for temple. U for universe. U for universe. V for vanilla. V for vanilla. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yum. Y for yum. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.